New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County, southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Somerset County, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belfast, or near Easton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Bridgewater, Forks, Middlesex, Brook, Hackettstown, Wilson, Washington, Nazareth, Morris Plains, Bangor, Mendham, High Bridge, Penn Argyl, Wind Gap, Clinton, Belvidere, and Harmony. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 76. Interstate 70 in New Jersey near mile marker 0, in between mile markers 3 and 38. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 14 and 36. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Flood advisory in effect.